Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I am Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. Music activates certain regions in your brains which are involved in movement, planning, attention, learning and memory. Music also releases a chemical in your brain called dopamine, which improves your mood and reduces your anxiety. Dopamine also induces pleasure, joy and motivation, which are good for health. Music boosts your immune system. It can create positive emotional experiences, which results in the secretion of immune boosting hormones in the body. It allows severely brain injured patients to recall personal memories. Music also relieves pain. Surgery patients who listen to music before, during or after show reduced pain scores, anxiety and need for pain relievers. And when surgeons listen to their favorite music, their surgical techniques and efficiency improve. Music helps in the production of a stress-related hormone called cortisol. Cortisol enhances your brain's use of glucose, its main energy source. Cortisol increases the availability of substances needed to repair damaged tissues in the body. Chill-inducing music also enhances altruism in the humans. The music that you enjoy listening to makes you nicer to others. And if you are a musician who enjoys playing an instrument, your brain will fire symmetrically when you listen to music. And corpus callosum area in your brain will increase in size, which is the area that connects the left and right hemispheres of the brain. A relaxing music can lower high blood pressure as well, and can help people suffering from migraines and chronic headaches. It reduces the intensity, frequency and duration of headaches. A study revealed that listening to music helps children suffering from epilepsy. It reduces the number of seizures in patients. Music therapy can prevent the development of a chronic form of tinnitus. It can improve the duration and intensity of your concentration. Music can effectively raise the efficiency of performing repetitive work or tasks. Listening to relaxing classical music before bedtime can reduce sleeping problems. Children with ADHD perform well in maths after listening to music. And listening to music during math improves your performance by 40%, which is marvelous. Music therapy during labor can reduce postpartum anxiety and pain. It increases satisfaction with childbirth and decreases the postpartum depression rates. Music is awesome. Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.